If you want to hide files on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, we have two main methods that allow you to do so. So the first method is to use the File Manager app. In this case, if you choose whatever you want to hide, so I'm gonna go to Browse, and then over here let's go, let's say, to Images, and let's just choose a couple of example images. So if I want to hide them, I can just simply tap on More in the bottom right corner, and then I can choose Make Private. Now, if you choose this option for the first time, you will need to set it up, for example, by setting up the privacy protection password. And if you actually do this for the first time, and if you have the setup, then you will have to repeat this this step, simply because the app forgets that you are trying to hide those files and make them private for some reason. So yes, you will have to repeat that step. But then you should be able to just simply go back to either Browse or Recent. And then you can swipe down in here where we have the internal storage, or if you go to Recent, you can swipe down in here to open the private space or the private section. And then you can just find whatever you have hidden in here. Now, speaking of photos and videos, you might actually want to use the gallery instead. In this case, if you want to hide something, you can just select again. Then you can choose Add to Album, and then in here we can choose the private album. In order to access the private album, we can switch to this category where we have all our albums and categories, and then just swipe down, just like in the File Manager. And then you can find all your hidden photos and videos like that. And then there is also the Files app provided by Google. So if you prefer to use this app, then you can set up the save folder over here. We have to choose the password for the save folder. So let's say I'm gonna choose a pattern. So set up your password, enter it twice to confirm, and then press got it. And we're gonna go back in here into the Files app. Now in here we're gonna choose whatever we want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna go to Images again. I'm gonna just choose a couple of examples, then tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose to move to Save Folder. Enter the Save Folder password, and there we go. We have now hidden files. So now we can access them by going to the Save Folder. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.